Hi guys, this is Gallifrey Customs and welcome back to my channel. So a very quick one from me today. The news is out there, and when I say the news, a few people have posted about the secret sounds of the 15th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. So I thought I would share them here. So this is a secret feature. It's not been posted about anywhere, and actually a few people have just discovered it, and yeah, I thought I would tell you all how you can do it. So funnily enough, I've just posted about it on my stories, and a few people have noticed that actually the lights and the sounds that happen when you do this are red and green, which is the same colours as Sutek. So I reckon that this is a hidden feature, a bit of an Easter egg for Sutek, like when he took over the TARDIS, that obviously the sonic screwdriver is often made from the TARDIS, so potentially this is a mode representing Sutek taking over the sonic screwdriver. So fairly simple. All you have to do, and this is going to be a bit of a struggle to do this one-handed, but you press the button 20 times. So we have to do it again. And then you hold it, and then you open this, and it beeps 3 times. So then, when you close it, the light turns green, and that means it's in the other mode. So, are you ready? So you have the Master's laser screwdriver sound effect going on there with a red light. And it just keeps repeating. Then this is how it looks when you open the bit at the end. And then finally, if I close it, it goes through there. And then the final part of this is, so there's a green light, but the final part is a double tap, which the lighting doesn't show it a lot, but it actually is an orange light, and the sound effect sounds like a regeneration. So really cool. I'll open that as well. And you can do it as many times, it'll still do the same thing. It's single tap for the laser screwdriver, and then a double tap or whatever tap for the regeneration sounding effect. And I will show you that if you do the scanner, it just does the same, but it's in red. But yeah, it's a really cool feature. So to get it back to normal, all you have to do is press it 20 times and it should go back to normal. There you go, and the light is back to purple. So now it's the normal. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, comment for more, and I will see you all very soon.